Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making little avocado oil. You know why avocado is good for our hair routine? Avocado is one of the best ingredients we use for our deep conditioning, even leave-in conditioning, because of the moisturizing property it has. And then avocado has oil. Yes, avocado is oily, so it's really good for our hair. It keeps our hair moisturized all the time. So I'm just going to be peeling the avocado to get the flesh. The avocado is already soft. So guys, please do not forget to subscribe as you are watching this video. Just hit the subscribe button, it's free. And then you can also go back and watch my old videos. And thank you to all our new subscribers. When you are doing this, make sure you get the avocado that is already very soft, because the oil is already forming, so you will not even need to use too much carrier oil. So I'm done taking out the fleshy part of the avocado. So I'm going to be adding in my carrier oil. I'm going to be using 2 carrier oils today, coconut oil and virgin olive oil. So I'm going to be adding my coconut oil. It depends on how much oil you want to get. So I'm not going to be giving you measurement. So use your discretion, like how much oil you want to make. That's how much oil you are going to be adding in your avocado. So I'm going to be blending this.
A few moments later.
So guys, you see this goodness right here. Guys, just take part of this and use it as your deep conditioner, and then come back and give me your testimony. Like, your hair is going to love it. But then I'm not going to be conditioning my hair today. Today is just strictly for the oil. So I'm going to be placing this on low heat and then watch my oil come out gradually. Okay, so I've taken my mixture down the fire and it's already cool. I left it to cool down so that I can be able to squeeze out the oil. And then I have my sieve cloth and my mixing bowl there, so I'm going to be turning all of this inside. So guys, it depends on how much oil you want, but I already have a avocado oil, so this one is just for teaching purposes. But you can always make yours to last for 1 month, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. It depends on what you want. But this one is just for teaching purposes, guys. And this is how your avocado oil will look like. And you can use this 3 times a week. 3 times a week or even more. It does not have any side effects, so you can use it every day. And that's it, guys. So my next video, I'm going to be showing you how I apply mine. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.